First of all, I would like to greet you all a very beautiful and warm good morning to all of you. My name is Ritu Bharti and I'm speaking from Global Spoken English. Today, again I am going to deliver a talk on casteism. Before starting my talk, I would like to speak one quote. The quote is, there is only one caste, the caste of humanity, and there is only one religion, the religion of the love, and there is only one language, the language of the heart. So, what is a casteism? Casteism is a social problem associated with the caste system. Casteism is discrimination against the people based on their religion and caste. This type of things can be seen in rural areas. They still believe in caste system. And if you see here that what's the reason behind it, why they still believe in this type of things like religion, casteism and untouchability. Because I think that most of the people, they are not educated. So this is the reason that they still believe in this type of things. If you see here the importance of education, how much education is important for our society. That's why it is said that education plays a very important role in everyone's life. And as far as casteism is concerned, I would say that it is evil. And if it is evil, so it's a very important to remove from our society. And for that things, awareness is a very important among the people. And we have to make them understand that untouchability, casteism and religion are nothing. Only it's our mentality. If we do like this, that's how we can reduce discrimination from our society. Now, I will not take much time. I would like to conclude my speech. Thanking all for listening to me with such a great patience. Thank you so much. Have a great day.